Each house in this community is unique and a testament to the artistic spirit of its creator.
Hey everybody, Jaysen Barlow with Sell for 1% here with Dad Dave Barlow, brother Jaime Barlow. I am, of course, the best looking realtor in Central Ohio for 18 years running. And my brother, who is coming up on my coattails, trying his darndest with his mustache.
He's been runner-up for 3 years. Runner-up for 3 years.
He's got a house of the week. Jameson, taking it away.
Yeah, I do have a house of the week. And to this week, we're talking about the Roundhouse in Worthington, Ohio.
Ooh, okay.
Designed by Ted Van Fossen. Well, protege of the famous architect Frank Lloyd Wright, which if there are any architect nuts out there, you probably have heard that name before or know of him. But Ted Van Fossen, his protege, captured the hearts of many with his iconic design and serene surroundings at the Roundhouse. The Roundhouse in Worthington is situated in the sought-after Rush Creek Village neighborhood in Worthington, Ohio. And if you've not been to Rush Creek Village in Worthington, Ohio, I highly suggest you taking a little tour around. Bunch of different types of houses in there. It's really cool, very unordinary. The community, designed by Van Fossen himself, was granted a place on the National Register of Historic Places in 2003, highlighting the Roundhouse's remarkable significance. There's a few other ones in there, I believe, that have been inducted as well. The neighborhood consists of around 50 homes, embraces the Usonian aesthetic, a design philosophy inspired by Frank Lloyd Wright. Each house in this community is unique and a testament to the artistic spirit of its creator. The Roundhouse was built in 1958, utilizing a blend of brick, stucco, and wood, which has beautifully withstood the test of time. The circular 2,185 square foot 3-bedroom home is a masterpiece of vintage style and flowing curves. Much like Frank Lloyd Wright's designs, the house incorporates built-in furnishings and expansive walls of windows, inviting an abundant natural light and connecting you visually with surrounding nature. In the living room, we feature a curved banquet, a cozy wood-burning fireplace, and direct access to peaceful koi pond and courtyard out the back. The entryway offers a hidden yet elegant first impression. And that's not all. This property includes a guest house, perfect for various purposes. The guest house boasts a newly remodeled laundry room, custom storage, convenient kitchenette, a full bath, fireplace, and more built-in furnishings. It's a very versatile space. It could serve as a studio as well. The median list price of homes in Worthington is around $325-ish. That doesn't sound right.
Not in today's world.
What would your guess be, Dad?
Probably like $450.
I was going to say like $550, yeah.
Good Lord. Well, in 2019, the Roundhouse changed hands for $642,200.
There you
go. The Roundhouse is not just a home, it is a piece of history, architectural history here in Worthington, Ohio, a unique living experience and a testament to the enduring allure of exceptional architecture. So again, if you haven't seen the Roundhouse, it's a great one. Rush Creek Village in general, great to go travel around. And that is our house of the week in Old Worthington, Ohio. Please share this video with your friends. Give a like, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what you think, for better or worse. Would love to get some feedback. So, and again, Realtors with Sell for 1%. If you're thinking about buying or selling, have friends or family thinking about buying or selling, please feel free to reach out to us. Our contact info is on the screen. We'd love to help. Thanks, guys.